If you do not have 1,000 subscribers yet, or you do not have 4,000 watch hours yet, this video is going to open your eyes on how you can start making money on YouTube really from day one, even with 0 subscribers. If you have been following this series, welcome back. And if this is your first time of being here, thank you so much for being here. I hope this video helps you. So when it comes to making money online, right, you need a place where somebody can meet you, right, online. And thankfully, social media has made it easy for people to meet you on your social media profile. Before now, you needed to have a website. But even if you have a social media, you still need a website eventually. However, I found that YouTube can become all that for you. It can become like your base where you host your videos, where people get to meet you one-on-one, and then where people can contact you based on the information that you leave in the description or your contact detail that you set up on your settings when you are setting up your YouTube channel for success. If you have not set up your YouTube channel such that you have a contact detail that somebody can easily reach out to you with, why don't you watch? I'm going to link the video in the cards to help you set up your YouTube channel for success. Now, if YouTube is the place where you found yourself because you're creating content, these are the ways you can make money from day one. To make money online or anywhere for that matter, there is one principle that applies, which is buying and selling. So you can either be selling something that you own or selling some other person's products and earning the additional money that you add on top of it. Or you can sell a skill, you can sell your time, and you can sell even a community. When people have access to you and talk to you, if you have a community, you can sell that community by getting people to pay for membership and also getting people to pay to advertise to your members. So there are so many ways to make money, but let's bring it to the digital space. Now, do you have something that you are selling that when you create a video, somebody will be willing to pay you for? Let me give you a typical instance. Being on YouTube and learning how to create YouTube videos already gives you a skill that you can talk about, so people can pay you to help them to manage their YouTube accounts. Or say you do video editing, people can pay you to edit your video, or whatever it is. That's skill wise, right? But if it's a product that you sell, take for instance, you sell food products, right? So you're teaching people how to cook, and then they're like, oh, how do I get what you use in making this food? Awesome. You could sell your cookbook, which is a digital product, or you could sell a physical product. You have a store where they can order the products from, or they can visit to buy. Or even better still, I love this one so much, you refer them to a store where they can buy something and you earn a referral income. The very first referral income I earned on YouTube was when I sold a keyboard through my Amazon link, and I made $25 from one sale. Now, if you have been creating digital products or you have physical products that you want somebody to buy, maybe your clothes or all this merch, you know that $25 is a lot of money. And to make it in your sleep when you have nothing to do just because you referred somebody is a whole lot. So when you know this from the get-go that, oh, it is buying and selling, and there are different ways to explain this buying and selling, you'll figure out that you'll have something to sell. So even when you do start making money from YouTube directly, it's like you're selling to YouTube. So the video content you create is what you sell to YouTube. So YouTube will now add ads to it so that anybody that watches your video will view that ad, and then you split the money that they make from the ads. You take some and they take some. So you just have to understand this concept so you can start making your money from the get-go. So let's organize it. So number one, how to start making money from day one on YouTube. If you do not have any product that you're selling, try affiliate marketing. And Amazon Associates, I'm going to link it in the description. It's one of the best options and easiest option to get into. So through Amazon, you're going to get links as an Amazon associate. If you want me to create a video on that, feel free to ask me in the comments. I am an Amazon associate. If you check the description on this video, you're going to find some Amazon links. Now, let me tell you something about Amazon links. When I give you an Amazon link, whatever you buy on Amazon within 24 hours, even if you end up not buying what took you to Amazon from my description, whatever you buy, I make an affiliate income from it. Isn't that amazing? A lot of people are cashing out from Amazon affiliates, and I think you should too. Now, there are lots of other affiliate platforms. One of the best platforms that you can easily hop onto could be somebody in your niche. For example, in this YouTube tutorial niche, there are lots of people that have courses and they have affiliate programs, so you can sell your courses. So when you market that course, you earn directly from the affiliate income. Just be very, very conscious of what are you selling per time. You can create your own products. You can sell another person's product. It can be a digital product. It can be a physical product from day one. That is the first way to make money. Second way to make money is to sell your time. And I am so excited to announce to you that since I started this YouTube channel less than a month ago, I've already had 2 coaching calls and I already have like 1 booked in the future. So I charge $100 per hour, right? But for now, I am offering a free call to my first set of subscribers. The offer is not going to last that long. So if you need that coaching call, there's a link in the description of this video. So you can set up coaching calls too, depending on what your YouTube channel is about. It will amaze you how you can be of help to some other person as a coach. Package it as a product. So what you're selling is your time. But much more than your time, you're selling your attention and your skill, because you need your skill to be able to help your clients navigate whatever value you're proposing to them. The number 3 option is brand sponsorship. So for this one, you might need a little bit of subscribers, from 100, depending on what the brand is looking for. From 500, I've seen people 500 subscribers, they get brand deals. And for brand deals, you get paid to make a video that will help people understand their brand or patronize them. It might be a normal video that you're already doing and then you give them a shout out, or you could actually make a video describing what they do to help people patronize them. And then there are platforms where you can go register as a content creator and you get all these brand deals like impact.com. I recently registered at impact.com and I was accepted. So I'll probably start introducing brands to you in future. The 4th way you can make money is by selling your skill. Now, when you're creating on YouTube, it is easy for you to develop a lot of skills. Take, for instance, you can develop public speaking skills, you can develop management skills, social media management skills, you can develop video editing skills, you can develop digital marketing skills. So these are the skills that you just experience while creating on YouTube. But there might be other skills that you have that you want to sell. Now you can sell them because YouTube is your website where people see you. So you create videos that talk about these skills that make people, pay you for your services. You could package that skill into an online course and you sell it as a product and you get paid. The next option is community. So nowadays, community has become a very lucrative opportunity. So when you build a community, no matter where you build it, it could be a WhatsApp group, it could be a Facebook group, it could be a Telegram group, it could be any group for that matter. When you build a community, you can charge monthly or annual subscription for members of that community. And you can also get paid to advertise to that community. So finally, if you want to achieve the most on YouTube, you have to continue to learn, you have to be teachable, you have to be ready to adapt, because this online terrain keeps changing on a daily basis. And while you are at it, try to set expectations that you can control, because some are outside of your control, but the ones that you can control help you to be consistent, because you see instant results and you keep going. And the ones that you cannot control, which are almost predictable by being consistent, will now add up. I hope this encourages you and opens your eyes to, the multiple streams of income that you can make here on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to my newsletter where you can get growth tips on a weekly basis. And if creating content is a hassle for you, check out this video here to help you streamline your creation process. Next video, I'm going to tell you about monetization, how I became a YouTube partner, how I got monetized, lessons and losses. I think that should be the end, probably second to the last video on this series. All right, see you in the next video and thank you for being here.